If you're looking to pay your global employees on time, Deel is the solution you need. In this quick guide, we'll walk through how Deel helps businesses streamline the process of paying employees worldwide, without the headache of managing currency conversions, tax filings, and complex local regulations. Stick around till the end to find out how you can use Deel completely free with our exclusive bonuses. First off, Deel is a global payroll platform that makes paying international teams easy, reliable, and quick. Whether you have contractors or full-time employees scattered across multiple countries, Deel ensures they're paid on time and compliant with local labor laws. You don't need to worry about setting up entities in every country your employees are located in. Deel handles it all for you. Getting started with Deel is simple. First, you set up an account and input your business details. Then, Deel allows you to onboard employees from different countries with just a few clicks. You can create and send contracts in minutes, covering all necessary terms and compliance details. Deel's extensive network helps ensure that your contracts are tailored to meet local regulations, so you're always in the clear. When it comes to paying global employees, Deel offers several flexible payment methods, including local bank transfers, PayPal, or even cryptocurrency, depending on what your team prefers. Once you've set up payroll for your employees, Deel takes care of the calculations, including taxes and benefits based on local laws. This is a huge time saver, especially when dealing with the complexities of international tax compliance. One of the standout features of Deel is its automated payment system. You set the payment schedule, and Deel handles the rest. Your employees are paid on time, every time, in their preferred currency, without you having to lift a finger. Deel also supports multiple currencies, so if you're paying employees in different regions, you don't have to worry about currency conversions or exchange rates. Deel's platform provides you with detailed reports, so you can keep track of all payments, taxes, and compliance records. This makes accounting and audits much easier, as everything is stored in one place. And if you have any questions or issues, Deel offers 24/7 customer support, making sure you're never left stranded. The best part, Deel can be used for free through the link in the description below, and we've got exclusive bonuses to help you get started. This includes an extended trial to explore all the features and see how Deel can revolutionize your global payroll process. So if you're looking to pay your global employees on time with less effort and stress, Deel is the way to go. Make sure to check out the first link below for your exclusive free trial and see for yourself how Deel simplifies paying global employees. You can't go wrong with Deel's straightforward and reliable platform, and with our bonus, you get more value right from the start. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab your free trial to start managing your global payroll on Deel today.